It's week 50 of planning, and I thought I'd get on early. It's early Sunday morning. I've got my coffee, I've got my glasses because I need them to see. And I thought instead of waiting till later, I would do this video this morning as I'm starting my day. And this is the time I usually get in and do my planning. I update my planner of what I did yesterday, and I kind of like look around, see what I've got going on, and then I get on with my day. So you've got me in my robe, no makeup, the whole thing. I want to wear my glasses, but sometimes you can see there's a reflection in them, so I'll just keep them off for right now. I don't wear contacts. I probably should get contacts, or I need to see the eye doctor. Actually, I need to put that in my planner, that I need to go see the eye doctor. I was just looking at my planner, and this week was such a fun, pretty week. I'm loving my Planner Kate stickers, and I don't really need more than just a few stickers, highlights, and my erasable pen. I do find that I do erase things, so I really do like having an erasable pen. We are getting into week 50, which is so crazy. And I wanted to let you know that I've been trying to think about what I want to do for the last vlog in this series. And because this has been so much fun, you guys have been so wonderful to stick with me through, it will be 52, actually 53 videos, because one of them is the unboxing video that I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I have put together a list of things that I wanna put in a giveaway. So don't forget, if you are new here and you're interested, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, because I will be doing, in 2 short weeks, a giveaway for the end of this series, and kind of to bookend this really great year of vlogging my experience, learning how to plan, figuring out how to plan, and then implementing it on the go with you. So yeah, I'm really excited. So to be continued on that. And without further ado, let's get into planning next week, week 50, because I got a lot going on next week, and I'm kind of excited to plan it all out and see how it all kind of comes together with my stickers. And yeah, Christmas is coming, so we got to get this done. So stick around and let's do this. Let's get into it. So this is this week, week 49. I'm so glad I have a little reminder there that I put week 49. So this has been this week so far. I love that I'm using this thicker washi all along the bottom, and then this little thin one right here. I ended up putting in a habit tracker right here. I have decided that I want to keep that going, and so I added that back in. And then I love just how this is working out. My bigger calendar looks like this. I'm still not using this, which is kind of a bummer. But if we go back and look, it's been really fun to kind of go back and look at how things have kind of changed through the months. And so here we are. Let's get into week 50, which is a blank slate, but I've got so much going on for week 50. Now, I'm a little bit upset because I had purchased another sticker page that I had forgotten from Planner Kate, so I don't have it yet. Ooh, I think I have a November one in here. Yeah, I do have a November one in here. But I had purchased one, and then I was holding off shopping because I was waiting for the sale. So it still hasn't come. So I'm probably going to have way too many of these stickers for December that I don't use, but that's okay. So let's get started. I'll be quiet. I'll speed it up, and then we'll catch up in the end. here is a final look at week 50. As you can see, I'll be traveling this week. So I pulled these stickers out of this really great Happy Planner sticker book that I got for traveling. Now, where is it? Let me pull it out. It's a good one. I'll link it below. Hopefully it's still available. This one is so great. It's the See the World classic sticker sheets, and it's really the only one that Happy Planner has for traveling, but there's some really fun ones in here. And I just thought we have a lot of plans coming up. Ooh, I could put this in there, packing list, itinerary. So I thought this would be really good for my travel journal. So I got this for that. And then I thought, you know what, let me just use it. Instead of just looking at it, I should, oh, I love this, like find a little picture. That's kind of awesome. Oh, these things are so fun. Like these little stickers are so good. And so I thought I would use this. And then obviously I use those too. I don't know why I picked them from the top and not from the bottom. Random, but such a great sticker book. So if you're looking for something for traveling, I'll link this one below. I do have affiliate links for this, so just so you know, and I'll put that below. But yeah, so this is what I did. Obviously unpack laundry in here, and I want to leave it open for that. And that's why I said holiday or for friends, because I have a big day planned to see my friends from home, where home was for 30 years. So this is kind of fun. And I'm back to my habit tracker, and I really want to use this more. So this is a look, and you already saw this current week. So this will be filled in, and I'll give you a look after it's done next week. Well, now you know what I'm doing next week. I changed things up just a little bit. I was trying to figure it out. I was looking back and forth. I don't know if you noticed, but I was trying to figure out how to do the weather for home and then while traveling. So you will see that I did up here the weather right here for Florida. Then I jumped down to do New York, and then I went up here to home again. I just think it's really interesting to look back and see what the weather is for where you are, when you are, whatever. And I was trying to like figure that out. I thought that lights would be kind of fun because I'm going to the City of Lights, right? So I put little like lights there. That was the point of that. You can see that I'm traveling. That is something that I'm trying to be more, I don't know, thoughtful about, is maybe that's not the right word, but using the stickers that I have. I have tons of stickers. So as I put in this like eggnog sticker here, it's kind of big, but I was like, why not? It's a party. Let's just put in the eggnog sticker and not worry about it overlapping into other things. So that meant that this sticker right here kind of went up higher than I kind of wanted it, but it's totally fine. It's just great. And I'm loving how these books, these planners are creative. They use that sort of part of my brain, and then it keeps me organized as well. So my biggest question to you is, do I take the planner with me? Like just bring it with me so I can fill it in? Or do you have like a small like little notebook that you write things in while you're away and then come home and fill in your planner? Or you just get home, immediately get into your planner and try to remember what you did? Because I don't really know if I want to bring all this stuff with me. You know, I've got cases, pencil cases that I can bring my pens in. I've got stickers. I just don't know if I want to sit there and do it. So my initial thought is no, I can just write things maybe in my digital calendar or make notes there maybe if I remember. But I do like the pen to the paper and getting it on here. So I'm thinking I won't take it with me, but what do you normally do? I just feel like it's another thing to carry. And then what if I mess it up, or not mess it up, but you know what I mean? Like just, is it worth it? Because it kind of just sits on my desk and I really enjoy it here. So that is a look at week 50. And I'm really excited that we've gotten this far, and all these things just sort of layer on top of layer, you know, the different stickers you get and just mixing and matching them. I have to get more comfortable with, you know, getting into my planner and just layering it in with fun things that I already own. So that is week 50. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up. If you would like a Laurel Denise planner for yourself, this is the Kristy. I'm using the Kristy, and the new one is gorgeous for 2026. I'm using the Monday Start, which I really love. And I just like the idea of having the weekends blocked at the end of the week versus straddling the week. So for me, it really works for my like written calendar. I have everything else, you know, my wall calendar, my digital calendar for work is a Sunday, but I really like this as a Monday start. So consider it if that's something that you aren't sure what you want. So I am an affiliate. I have a link below and a discount code. So definitely give that a go if you want it. I highly recommend them. It's a really great community of women, and I'm sure there's some men in there too. I'm not sure. But my husband just got his first one. I gave him the, I think it's a Scout. Did I give him the Scout? I can't remember. I gave him one of the smaller ones that I ordered because I wanted to check it out. And so I think he's going to try it out and see what he thinks. So yeah, so thank you so much for being with me today. I look forward to seeing you next week for week 51.